Alrighty, to find features of the quadratic functions, this is what we've been practicing in your packet. So this is asking you for your zeros, so you should know that as your roots, x-intercepts, and solution. So we need to find both of those. Now the word that you may not know is ascending right here. And that means increasing, so we're looking for the smallest number to the largest number. So to do this, go ahead and get your calculator out. And we need to type this in, so tab when you don't see it, and then this is the same thing as y equals, so I'm going to type everything to the right, but remember instead of t, when we use our calculators, you have to always use x. You've got to match the letter in your parentheses. So we have x minus 4, close parentheses, and then x plus 8. So once we have that, we should see our graph. Now we've been working with quadratic functions, so that means we need to see that U shape. But right now I am not really seeing that. So that means I need to zoom out so that I can see my whole picture. So remember that is menu for 4. That should be written on page 4 of your notes. Okay, I'm just going to keep clicking enter until I see the whole picture, which now I do. And now we need to find those roots. So remember that is menu 6-1. And I can see here that I have 2 roots because my parabola or quadratic function crosses the x-axis twice. So when I have 2 roots, I need to highlight starting at the left and go to the vertex, so the center of my graph. And that gives me the root or 0 as -8, 0. To find my other root, I do the same thing, menu 6-1, but this time I start in the middle, my vertex, and then I highlight all the way to the right. Okay, and that one is 4-0. Okay. And remember, we want the smallest to largest number. So when I have t equal or x equal, this is where we just need to write the x value, not the whole point. So I don't need to write -8, 0. I just need -8. And then the largest one would be 4. Then we need to find our vertex, which remember is either the tallest or smallest part of, or lowest part of our graph. So for us, this is a minimum because that vertex is at the bottom. So I need to use menu 6-2. And this time I will highlight the whole picture. And I get my vertex as -2 and -36. Okay. The line of symmetry, remember that is the line that cuts my graph in half. So it's that vertical line. So for us, that is going to be -2. So remember, it's always the x value of your vertex. Okay, and that should be it. So this is stuff we've been practicing in class, so I think you should be able to get this one fairly quickly. Again, the only thing that might trip you up is not writing the roots in the correct order. And in your calculator, if you're getting arrows, it's probably because you changed letters when they should have remained x as x. So let me know if you get stuck, but go ahead and try this one.